Hi everyone! Good morning! It's our official day 1 here in Singapore. So, ayan. Look at my background. Kasi kahapon, kakarating lang namin. So, medyo exhausting. But, we achieve na mag-commute lang from airport dito sa pinuntahan namin. So, quite far. Siguro, we traveled like almost 1 hour using their public transportation. But unlike the Philippines, it's not hassle at all. Super. You're gonna love their public transportation. So, okay lang. And we actually avail the tourist pass para dun sa kanilang para sa kanilang mga public transportation. So it's unlimited for 3 days. And the good thing about that is after you return it, you're gonna get $5 refund. Or yeah, they'll return you your $5. So not bad. So kayo nang bahala mag-convert, or itatry kong ipakita sa inyo yung conversion dito.
Nice.
Okay. But for now, let's just have some breakfast. So, what are we having? Are not the usual or typical Filipino breakfast, but let me show that to you. Anong plan namin today? Hindi ko rin alam. Let's see later. But I'll keep you posted, guys. Bye!
Soon after.
Wala mga gusto. Ay, nakablog ka pala. Sabi ko na nga ba, mag-sombrero ba?
Kasarina, ala kilis ka sa kasarina.
Tingnan dito.
Katulad din pala.
Hi everyone! Hi. So we're here at the Botanic Garden. Hindi namin alam kung paano kami napadpad dito. And actually this is our first stop. A random first stop here in Singapore. So we're just roaming and see, dapat kasi papunta kami ng Mustafa. It's just that, well, we're trying to walk and see how can we get there later. But for now, we're just enjoying the Mustafa. Let's see what else can we do here, and I'll keep you posted. Ang daming Filipino dito. Super enjoy. So even if you're lost and you don't know where to go, you just look for everywhere or anywhere, and there's a Filipino for sure who are willing to help you.
Just wait, Filipino to pass by.
Correct.
Doon ka magtanong kung Filipino.
Ala, ano yun? Tignan natin. Meron ako nakita. Dito.
你玩过呢？你还玩呢？
你胖吗？我很胖啊，我讨厌这样灰色来的。你胆小。玩去。你真会玩呀！地方就看你。
1 hour later.
So we're here at the Albert Center. Here malapit sa Boogies. And we're having a late lunch here because it's already 3 p.m. So we'll try this food. Dito ka, nilinis ko na yan. Then after this, punta kami ng Marina Bay. Ito ay, ano nga ito? Wonton roasted pork noodle. So, this is their wonton soup. Let's try.
Ang bigat-bigat ng loob.
Okay naman. Hindi siya yung maalat, hindi rin naman ganong ano ba to? Malasa. Pero okay na, pwede na. Alam mo may betchin. Let's try the noodles. Gara ng noodles nila, dikit-dikit. Try. Ito muna yung pork.
Parang Chinese style.
Chinese nga.
Chili.
In fairness, masarap naman. Maanghang. Sabi ko kay ate, konti lang anghang eh. So that's it. We'll keep you, I'll update you later. Kain muna kami. Bye! I have here the ice blended honey lemon. Let's try this. Ay, masarap siya. Masarap. For $2. Pwede na. Laban na. We're here sa Burgess. Ano ba to? Boogies pala. Boogies. Nag-ikot-ikot muna kami to check if what are the things that we can buy here. Tapos later, tsaka kami mamimili kung bibili kami or hindi. So, we'll keep you posted.
Much later.
So we're here at the Merlion Park to look for the famous Merlion, yung lion na bumubuga ng tubig.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And behind me is the Marina Bay. Ano ba to? Anong tower nga to? Marina Bay Hotel ba to? Marina Bay Hotel front, parang ganon. But whatever, I'll just paste it na lang somewhere. So, Yun, magpipicture lang kami dito kasi kanina galing kami nga dun sa Alexander Center, Albert Center to eat and have some lunch and to look for something that we can give out or that Janet can give out to her loved ones. So yun, samahan nyo kami as we travel and enjoy our day 1 here in Singapore. Bye!
Ayun na, yung malayong. Tapos maliit.
Welcome to the Merlion Park!
Booge. Pabooge. Dami tao. Pabooge. Booge.
我们都是脚出行，我们今天都没有坐公车，我们一直走大路。
Take away kayo. Hindi, sige lang po. Kaway lang po kayo sa vlog. Kasama po kayo. Mag-shoutout na po kayo. Hindi, okay lang po. Shoutout nyo na po yung mga pamilya nyo sa Pilipinas.
Anong
I am Aris 24 po.
okay, papalo namin dyan.
Abangan nyo po.
Yung mga namin yung pagpumukha namin. Nagpa-vlog ko na siya. Maganda lang namin pagpumukha namin dyan.
Taga saan po kayo?
Kagayan.
Ah, Cagayan. Siya po, Cagayan din.
Isa eh, Cavite.
Ah, Cavite po siya.
Ano sa Cavite?
Imo.
Lansa.
Ah,
Malapit lang.
dito po kayo nag-work? Baka po may gusto kayo shoutout nyo na.
Hello, shout out to my family. Shout out.
Ay, ano po pala name nyo, te?
Ano, Devi.
Devi? Kayo po?
Krishna.
Krishna? Ah, thank you po.
Ikaw ang yung photograph. Makalit ka sa akin. Hindi mo ano. Hindi pa. Look ka nga. Ano ito? Sahurin ka na. Baba ka. Sige ba? Sa tubig.
Alright, so masyado na kayo nag-e-enjoy sa mga nakikita ko dito sa Singapore. Eh, wala naman kayong pamasahe.
Perfect.
Para kayo na masahe na rin dahil sinama ko kayo sa vlog. But anyway, thank you. I'll keep you posted kasi mamaya may pupuntahan pa naman kami after this. So, please wait for that.
later that night.
Finally, we've arrived here at the Newton famous food center since it was featured in Crazy Rich Asian. Come on, take a look. So we just ordered our food dun sa dalawang Michelin star na dun sa dalawang resto or stall na naka-receive ng Michelin star. So nandito sa harap ko yung isa, which is the stall 27, and yung isa, I'm not pretty sure kung anong stall number niya, but I'll check this one out later. So we're waiting for those orders lang. Well, let's see kung masarap talaga, because there's a lot of people right here sa Newton Center. So let's check if bongga talaga yung mga pagkain nila dito, okay? So I'll show you all the foods later once it arrives.
A few moments later.
So, yun na nga, pauwi na kami. And we just finished. Ayan, we just finished our dinner dun sa ano ang center yun? Newton Center. Dun sa Newton Food Center. So, right now we're on the bus going home sa pinag-i-stayan namin, and we're here at the two-deck or two-story bus dito sa SG pauwi. How's the food? Well, I must say it's just the usual food that we have, but with the squid, I don't like it that much. Pero gusto niya raw. Ako ayoko kasi parang sorry, but I'm not really a fan of halal food or Muslim food, yung kagaya na sinasabi nila. But yeah, hindi ko siya ganun ka-trip. But the chicken sweet and sour, it's nice. Same goes with the chicken wings. The food price, it's expensive, but if we are going to compare it, kapag kumakain ka dyan sa Philippines, parang kang kumain sa like Chinese restaurants. But then again, it's the experience that we technically paying for. So, and we really had fun. This day is a very productive day for us, so we enjoyed it a lot. So samahan nyo naman kami ngayon as we go home, because I'm gonna tour you around.